Hello, my YouTube loves, and welcome back to the next August Yum Yum box. Hey guys, welcome back. That's my little fake accent to give you guys a clue when the box is from. So we received our August Yum Yum box in the mail, and the first thing you guys can notice is the box is a lot smaller. So maybe they saw my video and be complaining about Thailand boxes like, no. But the box is a little smaller, as you see in the background. And August box, which I'm kind of excited from, it's from the UK, loves. So we're going to bloody old London to have some yummy snacks from the UK. So one thing I learned about the box last month is they have a booklet inside. And inside the booklet, focus, thank you. It gives you a description of what the snacks are inside the box, which we didn't read it last month. We kind of just dove in and started eating snacks and stuff like that. But here's the box. We have some snacks to try. I think it's going to be pretty good, guys. So I'm going to dive right in and hope we enjoy it. My family's in the background, but they didn't want to be on camera. But you may hear some around the noise, so that's what y'all may hear. But the first thing I'm going to try is Ridge Cut Sea Salt and Cider Vinegar Chips. So, y'all know I got my bottle of water, just in case. It might be good. So, this is our first thing we're going to try. It smells like regular salt and vinegar chips, so I'm going to see. Yeah, these are good. It's just like regular, like, salt and vinegar chips from here. So, definitely give these a thumbs up. These are good. You see, I'm passing them over to Miss. Well, they're good, yeah. 2 thumbs up for that. It's just like regular, like, salt and vinegar chips here. So I like those a lot. Those are good. I eat those again. Yeah. Aftertaste is good. Okay. First item, good. The next item we got is Pickle, Johnny Pickle onion rings. Crying out with flavor. And the package kind of cute. Look at the little man playing the accordion. Isn't that cute? Yeah, so this is the next thing. I like onion rings, so let's see. It won't be too bad. Oh, they so cute and they so tiny. Look, y'all. Oh. These are not bad. It's just like the onion rings that we have here in the U.S. So another thumbs up. You see, I'm passing over. That's not bad at all. The flavor is really strong. But overall, it's something that I can eat again. So, I definitely wouldn't complain about that. The flavor is good. And next we have, this one try like the chips. They got 3 bags of chips in here. Is cracked black pepper chip. Let's say like chips in the bloody old England. Smells good. Let's see what they got. Y'all, this ain't the one. Oh, God, dude. No. Negative. Got the water falling out of a shirt. See what I'm saying, y'all? No. No. Negative. Ugh. That was a yucky one. 2 thumbs down for that one. That ain't good. We're going to say no to that one. The next we have is this. Ooh. Yeah, I have to taste the next too. It's a Wagon Wheel. It said Wagon Wheel. I don't know what kind it is because I don't have my booklet in front of me, but it's a Wagon Wheel. Oh. Kelly, what's inside the Wagon Wheel? Sweet 16 girl in the background, y'all. Y'all can hear her voice. What's in the Wagon Wheel?
Chocolate covered marshmallow cookies with raspberry jam.
So she says a chocolate covered marshmallow cookie with a raspberry jam. Let's see. It's okay. It's like a real crunchy moon pie. I mean, I may try it again. I mean, but it's okay. It's not great. It's not bad, but it's okay. The raspberry tastes good in there. The aftertaste on your palate is the raspberry. And that's good. So I give it a thumbs up. The family give it a thumbs in the background. Yeah, funny. Y'all should see on camera. Okay. The next we have is Melt in Your Mouth. Bake by hand. Dean's original family recipe. All butter chocolate chip mints. So this sounds yummy. Okay. And it's hard to open up. Let's see what it tastes like. So far, so good, y'all. The box is not too bad like last month. It's like a little cookie. Okay. It's good. I don't drink no mint, but it's good. It's good. It's not great, but it's good. I feel like I need a proper cup of coffee now because I need some coffee with that in my British accent again. But it's good. It'd probably be great with some coffee, a proper cup of coffee. So yeah, this thing right here, this is Toffee. I'm not a big fan of Toffee, Focus. So yeah, I'm not a big Toffee eater. But I'm gonna try it for y'all because you know it's August. It's a yum yum box, and this you gotta do. And I can't open it up because I'm struggling. This feel hard. I think I may have my family try it off camera and let them tell you how it is. I can't get open. Okay, I got open. It's a big piece of toffee too. Oh my god. That's a big, thick piece of coffee. Y'all see it popped off? Y'all see that? Okay. This is a lot. Like, I can't even. Yeah, y'all see this? How did I have to eat this? Like, I can't even break it to eat. I got a little piece off. I mean, it tastes like regular toffee, but it's hard. You hear the breaking? It's hard. We struggle to break it, but it tastes decent to be toffee. I mean, but it's hard as heck. So I give it, for the toffee. So what they always do is they always have you little packs of candy in a little baggie too. They treats. So Sweet 16 girl, I need you to tell us what this candy is. That's my kale in the background. So this first piece of candy, what kind is this?
Stockley's chocolate limes. Lime candy filled with chocolate.
Ooh, lime candy filled with chocolate. And it's, y'all, this candy is actually kind of greasy. Like my hand is getting kind of greasy from eating this, touching it. Ooh, you can smell the lime. Ooh, y'all. Oh, it smells good. But it's real sticky, but it smells amazing. It's sticky. It's okay. But it's hard. Hold on. Woo. It's hard. And it got a big, strong sense of lime in it. Like a real lot of lime. Like, whew. It's a lot of lime's flavor. Not on water. We have 2 more kind of treats to try, y'all. Or maybe 3. I don't know. We got this one. What kind is this, baby?
Curd Royale Chews. Black currant and champagne flavored candies. Contains no alcohol.
Champagne flavored candy with no alcohol. So this is chewy. This is all right. Okay. I like this one. Yeah, okay. I'm feeling it. That was real yummy, y'all. Oh my God. That's like the best in the box so far. What's this, Kayla? Oh, that was really good. What's this one? She got the booklet and she wants to read.
Scorpio fudge. Sparkling wine flavor, but contains no alcohol.
It's another fudge with wine flavor, but no alcohol in it. It's soft. This is good too, y'all. This is good. Oh yeah. This is really good. So overall, I definitely think the UK Yum Yum box was amazing. It was like one of that, just the chips, focus. Okay, just the chips that had that bad taste. But overall, I give it 2 thumbs up for this one box. Very good job, August, for our Yum Yum box. So I hope you guys like this box. I didn't spit up as much as I did last month, y'all, but it was a good box. So thank you from the wonderful place of London for your yummy treats. I really enjoyed them. But yeah, that's it for this month's Yum Yum box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe next month I can get the family on camera set in the background, but they getting close, y'all. But thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below of what you thought of this video. And until the next month, September Yum Yum box. Peace, my loves. Mwah.